To COVID-19, we've previously built up a strong rapport with the housing team at Borough Council, delivering seated physical activity and twilight games through LRS. Residents really enjoyed taking part in these. They found it fun, they really enjoyed the social element. We've also got strong links with our care homes and the activity coordinators. Many of those attended our seated physical activity training package. Due to the lockdown, we've not been able to go into these care homes or sheltered accommodations and deliver sessions. So it became apparent through conversations with our contacts at the sheltered accommodations and the care homes, there was a big concern for ways of keeping active whilst they was at home and stuck in their rooms. The team thought of ways we could encourage the residents through simple ways of being active, moving more and keeping mobile while at home. It was then from this that we decided to put together a seated physical activity pack developed by myself in a leaflet format, and we also give out stress balls and other leaflets from public health to support residents being more physically active at home. We actually got the leaflet endorsed nationally by Revitalise and NAPA, so it's National Physical Activity, and also Public Health England. So we did get it endorsed to ensure that it was safe for people to do at home. So in response to COVID-19, Chamberlain set up a community hub to support residents who were shielding and who were vulnerable. And so by working in partnership with our local community hub and also those partners at the care homes and our sheltered accommodation managers, we was able to distribute these packs and ensure that by building up that strong rapport previously, we would be able to ensure that the leaflets was sent out to people from our target group and that they was going out to the appropriate audience. So I think by building up those relationships before giving out the leaflet, we've ensured that they've gone to the right place and it's those people that really need it. We've had some really great feedback from our residents. We also produced a survey monkey for our care workers and volunteers to complete. We had lots of really good feedback from this. We've also had some really good social media engagement. One of a care home in Abbeyfield, which you'll see pictured on the screen now, our residents taking part in the physical activity exercises. They did it outdoors, and as you can see from the photographs, they're all smiling and they're all having fun and being active. So that's what our packs was all about, really. Really nice, easy to follow activities that they can do in the garden, they can do it in their room, they can do it in the communal lounge. So making sure that it's also accessible for all. By working with community group leaders, the people who are already working with the target group, encouraging them to make conversations with their service users just over a tea and coffee about the importance of being active. And that, I think, is a really good way of introducing the leaflets and the packs from a familiar source. Also continuing to work with activity coordinators who are based within the care homes to continue to support their residents by utilising the leaflet. Also in progression to our physical activity leaflets, we've actually produced 5 seated physical activity videos. So we've used one of our local Steady Steps instructors to deliver these 5 videos that they can play within their care home, in their communal lounge, or even individually on a laptop. They may be able to take the video to their room so they can be physically active in their room. So all the videos are really low intensity and easy to follow. So the care workers and wardens can sit with them and go through the exercises and make sure that they're safe and completing it appropriately. I also think by working with local volunteers in the area and our Take the Lead individuals to promote our leaflet, I think they've already got the relationships with the people in their community. So if we can educate them to talk about the importance of being physically active whilst at home and hopefully introduce our packs, is a really good way that we can reach more community groups who don't necessarily engage with other community groups. Also, by doing the physical activity, encourage people to educate about the mental health benefits that physical activity has. So obviously it makes us stronger and more mobile, but what it also does is it improved our well-being and our self-worth. So hopefully by delivering the physical activity sessions in small groups, within obviously government guidelines, they'll be able to gain physical improvements and also mental improvements.